Right, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome to the Gym of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. We are doing the Sunday night charts tonight. Happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there, and yeah, glad you stopped by on this evening. We're gonna look at Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and any chart you want to look at. I wouldn't mind having a session on the Forex tonight, guys. I hope. Wondering if anybody's interested in doing a Forex session tonight. Let me know about that. Let me know in the chat. Let me know what you think. If you're trading Forex, if you're not, you're missing out. Man, the Forex is a fun market. I've tripled my account in the last 2 weeks or so, 2.5 weeks, and it's been a really nice gains. DXY is about to make some big moves here, yeah, I'm kind of looking for some more gains this week and next. So anyway, if you want to have fun on a new market. If you're used to Bitcoin, Bitcoin's been doing sideways, nothing, and not much to trade. So anyway, if you're wanting to do some different kind of trading, you might want to learn Forex. Where I'm teaching Forex to all my people in the trading group, and if you want to be a part of that, you can just go to Patreon.com and find me. The link is in the description. And you can basically find my Patreon page, become a Patreon supporter, and then what I'll do is I will add you to the trading group once that is taken care of. So anyway, welcome to the group tonight, and welcome to the session tonight. We'll take a peek. I'm watching a trade over here on my laptop, so anyway, I'm gonna see if I can get out of that here shortly. Let me turn that off right there. There we go, and I got that right here. All right, now let me know you're here, and we'll say hi to you. What's up, Rosmi? How's it going? Happy Father's Day. Hey, Merle. Merle, I had to unfill the pool, man. Unfortunately, I got a little design flaw, and I gotta work it out. So anyway, a little bit of a trick, but I got it about halfway filled. Started having some problems, and gotta unfill it now. It sucks. So anyway, let's see. What's up, Geek Boy? How's it going, man? Yeah, I think AU and EU are going to be my choice of trades this week. I believe if I'm trading USD, I'm trading AU or EU. But I like AU. I like the way it moves better, Geek Boy. So and I'm very familiar with the chart, so I just trade it. I just kind of stick with it. It's kind of one of my techniques. So 10 minutes on BTC, then all Forex. I love it. Yeah, I wouldn't mind that at all. Yep, I'm looking for up. Rasmi on USD. I'm looking for up. I'll do some analysis on that. Hey, if anybody, let me know how many of you trade the Forex and how many of you would like to have some analysis on Friday night. Excuse me, on Sunday night charts for Forex. That would be. I'd like to know that. So let me know in the in the comments section. That'd be great. All right. All right, what's up? Nicholas Mail says draw support line from the 2018 to the 2019 low BTC. All right. Boom. 2018 low. Yeah, that's kind of the way I would draw it, like that, if I were drawing it. Now what? Yeah, I got 2018 right here, but not a fan of just having those 2 points personally. If I draw it from that point, that's not so bad. I wanna see 3 points personally in my chart. Yeah, I mean I can draw it. I can draw it, but I mean there's the one you want, but I don't like drawing lines like that. Let's see, settings. So your line is the red line. There you go, buddy. Yeah, I got it. Let's see. Oh, 2019. Okay. Sorry. That one. Okay. There you go. Get all these fibs out of here. I'm with you. All right. You think we could probably come down and hit that? All right. So I got the low of December 2018. December 2019. There you go. We'll wait for you to catch up. There's a lag in our system always. Where'd you go, Nick? I was gonna let you make your point, man. Yeah, here's your horizontal resistance right there. Ugh, I'm having a hard time with my computer here, guys. Give me 1 second, guys. Hang on it. Sorry, I'm trying to shape my window here, and I cannot seem to do it to save my life. There we go. I have an AU trade rocking right now, and I want to make sure I'm on top of it a little bit. And sorry, guys. There we go. All right, yeah. S&P 500 I see going up as well. I'll show you that later on. Yep. I'll show you the Elliott wave from there. BTC right now is super hard to trade. Yeah, Octavian, I haven't been trading it, man. I'm in a short right now from not the greatest position in the world, but I'm in a short, and we're gonna keep on rocking with that until it says different. So, all right, what's up from the UK? Wish everyone well. What's up, MH? How's it going? All right. Well, we're gonna jump in. We got enough people here. We're gonna jump into the TA here. There's 28 of you here. So yeah, let's do that. Don't forget, none of this is financial advice. Never intended to be. So I let Nicholas make the first call. All right, there you go, buddy. Thanks for sharing that your thought patterns. All right, well, let's jump in, guys. The way I'm looking at this wave, again, just to remind you, I'm not going to do heavy TA in the macro here. I've done it in previous. Let me just remove all the drawings here. There we go. Get rid of this alert. Delete you. Delete. Okay, well, we reload it. Remove the drawings. Delete. Yes, delete it. Thank you. Okay. There we go. Sorry, guys. Having a hard time getting going tonight. All right. Okay. So on the macro here, what I'm seeing here, the way I'm looking at it for now until the low is broken. Okay, here's the low from 2018, about 31.14 is where I've looked at it as detailed as I can. The way I look at that guy, get this down here. All right, there's a one wave. Guys, I don't know why you watch. 1, 3-wave move, 2. Okay, now that 3-wave move is right there, right there, right there. This is a 3-wave flat right here in the middle. Okay, so that's a 3-wave move. In my opinion, that's a 3-wave move. That's a finished correction. Okay, that's the way I'm looking at that. That is as finished as can be. We came down overextended, and now we are on a one wave to the upside. Okay, so this is a one wave. I don't think we're finished with it. I think we've got some hidden bullish divergence right now, rocking on the 1 day. Okay, hidden bullish is right here, going on, boom, right there. Now we're probably going to get another upside on the so we're going to get something like that with divergence to the downside, to the upside like that, and then we're going to get a 3-wave pullback, and then we're going moon. Okay, that's the way I'm looking at it. That's my roadmap. That's where I think we're headed. Okay, so ultimately I'm looking for this thing to finish. This is a 4th wave. I think we're going to finish it out. It might already be done. We'll talk about it as a possibility. But that's the way I'm looking at this wave, guys. That we're close to moon, guys. Moon soon. Okay. So I think we're in the 4th wave right here. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and we need a 5th wave. Okay, gonna get a 3-wave pullback. Let me close Telegram down. Close it. There we go. And then once that's done, should come back 3 waves of some kind. Could be very complex. It's going to be on the daily. So we're looking at December. Okay, before it finishes. Maybe looking. It's not going to come straight down. I don't think, and then go up. Okay. I think it's going to take its time coming down. Everybody's going to be bearish, and then boom, next year, guys, is our year. Next year is our year. So that's what I'm looking for. That's what I contend is going to happen. That's what I would like to see. That's what I'm trading for now. Okay, so I'm not a moon boy, guys. You guys know I'm pretty bearish, but the chart to me is looking bullish. To me, it's looking very bullish. Even though the price action right now sucks, the price action sucks really bad, and we're just waiting on it. We're just waiting on Bitcoin to do its thing. But I'm looking to take it to the upside here very soon. I'm not looking for this thing to roll over and play dead. If this thing rolls over and plays dead, guys, I just don't even know what to make of that wave. The only way I would be able to do anything with it is this is a 3-wave move, okay, to the downside. But I wouldn't want to see it break this low. If it comes down here, I would not want to see it break this low, okay, because I would want to see it as part of this major move right here. I want to see that hold. I want to see this low hold right here. If it doesn't hold, I'd have to come up with some other count. But right now, I see that as a bull wave. I see this as a 2-wave, and this is a 1, getting a 2, and then we're heading on. Okay, that's the way I'm seeing it, guys. That is the way I'm seeing it. Let me see if I can get all this off my chart now. Okay. All right, so there's my macro view. Oh, thank you, guys. I got Sonic. Oh, baby, I got Sonic. It is Father's Day. My daughter went to Sonic. She got a license, so she loves driving everywhere. So, oh, that's good stuff. This is a Dreamsicle orange slush, guys. Orange slush. Matt Duchow. Dude, that is so kind, man. All right, hey Matt, you get this is everybody. This is my son Samuel. We are live, buddy. We are live. You're gonna be showing up right there in just a minute. Up there he is. He popped up. He's spamming my channel. This is Samuel, guys. This is one of the ways I became a daddy. All right, see you, buddy. So Matt, hey man, I'm glad you caught it live too, man. I really appreciate that kind gesture. You get the first chart request, bro. First chart request. What do you? If there's something that you would like to see, let me know, man. Let me know. I'll stop everything and do any chart you want to see right now. That was, I mean, that was a huge kind gift. Okay. All right, so yeah, that's the way I'm looking at this wave, guys. So let's zoom in and see if we can analyze this wave a little bit more. I'm having a real hard problem with the fourth wave, so let me talk about what's going on there. Okay. Let's see. There we go. Let's go to 8 hour. See if we can see that. All right, there it is. Okay, first thing you do when you want to analyze a wave, Elliott wave style, you're going to put your fibs. You're going to measure the first wave, and then project it from the second wave. Okay, I believe this is a truncated fifth wave. That's my take on that. So that means this wick is not the bottom, but this is the bottom right here, truncated fifth. That means we got a nice 5-wave move to the upside from there. We got a flat second correction. Okay, now I am now looking at I'm now looking at where's the fourth wave, okay? Or where's the third wave end, okay? So the way I look at that is this is 1, that's 2. Okay, easy enough. Okay, so now how do we get the 5 waves in 3? I've been saying right there, 3, right here at the 1618, that's 4, okay? But here's my problem. This doesn't look like an impulse wave to the upside. I was expecting to see, I was wanting to see a nice impulse wave to the upside like that, okay, to finish it out, the fifth wave. That's what I wanted to see. But that isn't what we got. We're getting the sideways junk, okay? So what is that stuff? That's the big question mark in the count right now. Okay? So, what do you do with that? What do you do with that? Well, you can put 4. You can put 4 right here. Okay? I don't like that either, but you can. Golly. You can put 4 right here, and then what you've got, this looks like a 5-wave move there. So, that looks like a 5-wave move there. Okay? Actually, guys, ooh. Yeah, I don't know. What if we put the top of 3 right here? We got a truncated fifth. And then what we have here, guys, is a running flat after that. That's kind of hard. But what if 4 is finished? I'm not expecting 4 to be done. I wish my Telegram would turn off. Let me see if I can turn off notifications here from the Forex group here. Disable notifications for 4 hours. We'll turn them back on later on. My Forex group, man, we're trading it, man. We're loving it. AU is looking pretty good. My AU long is looking good. Currently long for now. All right. And AU. There we go. So yeah, this is really hard. Okay, so let's jump in. Let me show you why finding the end of 3 is tough. Okay, finding the end. So we could say this is the end of 3 right here, but then what do you make of all this stuff right here? What do you make of all this? Yeah. Brainstorming a couple ways to look at it. We could say this is a flat right here, a really odd shaped flat, and that's the 4th wave of the 3rd, and that puts us at a really weird shape here, but that puts us at a truncated 5th wave here for the 5th of the 3rd. Okay, and now we have a running flat in the 4. The only problem with that is that doesn't show good alternation. Okay, in Elliott wave we expect alternation. Okay, so we have a flat down here in the 2nd wave. We expect some kind of zigzag in the 4th wave. Okay, we expect some kind of simple zigzag in the 4th wave, and we're not getting that either. I'll try to get to y'all's charts here shortly, guys. Let me show that. Anybody wants to check out Khalid's chart, you go for it. I'll try to pull it up when I can, bro. Three of 5 of the 3rd. Maybe. Yeah, I just not seeing that. Kali's not clear for sure. Okay. All right, Matt. Once I finish the BTC, I will go right to AUD NZD. Okay. Sorry, guys. All right, so yeah, this is a really hard section of the chart, guys, that there's no clarity to. Okay, so understand that, but we would expect there to be a zigzag for the 4th wave. So if we say, hey, listen, forget it. I'm just going to call this 1, 2. This is the top of 3 right there. Okay, we're at the 1618, and we're currently making 4. Okay, and then going up for 5. You know, that's a big kind of a weird wave shape. But that being said, the way I would expect that to play out is we got a 3-wave move. There's a 3-wave here. This could be a 3-wave there. I've been talking about in the videos, and we could be getting a 3-wave like that, and that would get us down to our fourth wave. It's kind of weird and ugly. It really is. This is an ugly wave, guys. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. So that's one way we could look at it. We could say, hey, 4 is finished. There's 3 waves, and we've got 1, 2. Now we're in the 3rd. We're currently going up from here. So we got this is a 1, 2, and now we're 1, 2, and we're getting ready to go up pretty big. So that's a possibility as well. Okay. I wonder if RSI supports that. RSI could support that on the 6-hour. Not seeing anything that says otherwise. So in other words, we got a little bit of a tilt to the upside right here. This could be a 1 and a 2 right here of the next move. So this could be our 4th wave that is finished. Okay, that's a possibility. Or we could just be looking for, this is a 3-wave move here. Okay, we're getting a 3-wave move back up, and we're going to get another 3-wave move, and that's going to get us our kind of a zigzag pattern. Okay, and then we go up for the fifth wave. Is that possible? Yeah, it's possible. Sure. As long as we don't break this one level down here with our fourth wave, that's all. That would be possible as well. Okay. Hey Jason, thank you, man. I appreciate it. I'm doing okay. I'm doing all right. Chemo, I'm saying the same thing as you, bro. I want to see four come down here. I want to see four come back down here. This is where I want to see the fourth end. So I'd like to see price come on down just like that, and then up we go. That's what I would like to see. Exactly. Agreed. Ending diagonal. Yeah, I considered that and I shared that in previous videos, previous live streams. I don't like the shape personally for an ending diagonal. I mean, it could be, but I'm not here to say what I think is perfect and right and good, but yeah, kind of broke the shape here in my opinion. I wanted to see us. I wanted to see this. Something like that. One, two, three, four, five, and then down like that. Okay, that's what I would have liked to have seen. So yeah, this wick right here kind of, to me, messes up the shape for a diagonal, personally. And happy Father's Day to you, Jason. Appreciate it, bro. Good to hear from you, man. So, guys, what do you do with this? There's just all kinds of ideas, and everybody's idea is valid unless it's not valid, right? So, I'm just telling you right now, this is hard. So let's see what the RSI is saying, and just kind of point out some of the RSI facts here. Okay, so I think we're close to the end of the third wave. If we're not done, I think we're in the fourth wave. Personally, I'm looking for maybe a three-wave. My best idea right now is this is a three-wave move up, and then we're going down for another three-wave move. That's my personal bias. That's what I think is going to happen. Okay, we're going to retest this low right here, and then up we go. That's what I believe. So yeah, that's my bias. So don't be don't be alarmed if you get this. Now let's see where that would come. From Elliott Wave first. Let's do that, and then I'll look at the RSI in a second, okay? So right here to here, boom. Looks like, we'd be coming to about 9,800 to 10,100 in that ballpark. We'd be retesting this zone right here. The top, retesting the top right here. Here's the one-to-one extension right there. Okay. So boom, boom, boom. That's a pretty decent little trade, actually, to be honest with you. I'll probably look to get into that trade here shortly, because that's actually this is looking pretty good for that right there. Let's see what the MAs are doing. Yeah, we're getting ready to get a cross on the 2 hour. We already got the cross in the 1 hour. We got price cross in the 1 hour yellow. Yeah, guys, that's looking pretty good for my MA cross strategy. If I get another candle close above that yellow line, above my yellow 20 on the 1 hour, that might take a long there just to get up here to 9,800. That'd be a good little long, 500 to 600 bucks, something like that. So yeah, that's not too bad there. 400, something like that. We'll see if we get some follow through here. That's looking pretty decent, actually. I like that. If we don't get follow through, then we're short, obviously. Okay, let's go back to the 8 hour here and see what the RSI is saying here. 6 hour was better, I think. Guys, look at AU fly. I love it. I love it. I love it. Keep going. Okay, RSI. 4 hour. There's nothing here, guys. On this immediate move, there's nothing. 12 hour. No divergence helping us, guys. No divergence helping us. Let's go to the 1 hour. All right, 1 hour's helping. 1 hour's helping, guys. Here we go. Right here, we have hidden bull. Hidden bullish divergence right there. That's not a bad long entry right now, in my opinion. Not financial advice, not telling you to take a trade, but that's not a bad long entry right there. Not a bad long entry at all. Your stop below the low. Okay, so Octavian thinks that there is a correlation with USD, that if USD goes down, BTC should go up. I'm not sure. That's possible that there's a correlation there. So let's check out the DXY chart, which is the dollar index, and see what it's doing. Okay, right now I've got DXY going up, dollar going up. Okay, now it's going up correctively. There's no doubt about it. It's going up correctively. Let me show you the overall chart for DXY. Here's my DXY chart. I see this as a 5-wave move. I see a triangle here. Triangles are in B waves or X waves. So that to me is a 5-wave move, a 3-wave move, triangle basically. And now we're getting a 5-wave move to the downside. Now that 5-wave move could be finished. It looks like we're going up correctively. We might be going up in a diagonal, but I doubt it. So is this finished? We've come down to the 1-to-1 extension almost. I think we came down to the 1-to-1 tag, didn't bounced. But I was planning on DXY coming down to retest this liquidity zone. I would expect DXY to come down here. Okay, retest this zone right there. Take out liquidity that's underneath of it. Spike it, and then ultimately go on up. So this is kind of This would kind of correlate then with a 5th wave. With BTC, sort of, so if eventually as this wave finishes and then reverses to come down here, if it does, that would kind of correlate with Bitcoin kind of, coming on down to finish a 4th wave somehow, and then once USD reverses, then we'd head on up from there. So there's DXY. That's the way I'm looking at DXY for now. If DXY passes, give you a couple invalidation points here. If DXY gets to this region right here and passes it, I would say right here specifically. If it gets up here to the 1618, about 99.32, then this idea is we're not going to come back down and test the low. Okay, most likely we're not going to come down and test the low, unless they just make this go on forever. Get me another. So they could go take this sideways with DXY. In other words, DXY could just do this and then this and then 3 waves to death, right? So that's a possibility as well. But that's the way I'm looking at DXY. Probably going to come down to close to the 1-to-1 extension, or at least past the 1-to-1 extension, and then maybe even retest this low right here. So we'll see. We'll see what she does, guys. We'll see what she does. Yeah. So, yeah. Excuse me, guys. 1 second. Let me log into my Kraken account here. I might take a trade live. We'll see. All right. Beautiful. Okay. All right, how we doing, guys? How we doing? So yeah, there's not much to say here, guys, as far as Bitcoin's concerned. But here's my bias. Let me finish with my bias again. Okay, this is likely. That's likely. Okay, gonna get up here, very potentially up here to the $9,800 region. Okay, actually, right. Try it again. This would go up in 5 waves. Like that. Okay? 5, 3, 5. And then down. That's the way I'd be looking at that. So that's why I'm looking at Bitcoin, guys. All right. Now that Matt was so generous, stopping everything right now to let's give Odd NZD. Let me know, Matt, if you're still here. Start out with 12-hour analysis and work our way down. How we doing, guys? Okay. Just adjusting some. Happy Father's Day, James Bond. How's life in Puerto Rico, man? All right, odd NZD. Here we go. I just closed my AU long, guys. Looks like hidden bearish for now. I'm gonna fire a bullet short. We'll see what happens. All right. On NZD. Odd NZD is notorious for sideways movement. And it's an old chart here. Okay, odd NZD is looking down to me just in general on the 3-day, on the weekly. It's forming some kind of a not sure what it's forming there. Do we break that low? Looks like we broke that low. Let's see here. Everything's 3 waves. Okay. Everything's three waves. Three, 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 three. Some kind of a triangle there. So my guess, and we might have already broken it. So this might be A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Could be in the middle of forming E, or E is done. Down. Okay. So I mean, in general, I think we're going to get a one-to-one correspondence. A 5-wave move. We got a consolidation. Should expect some kind of move like that to the downside. That's the way on the weekly chart. Okay, the downtrend is looking down, so that's where I start. I start on the higher time frames. Let's zoom in here now that I have a bias on direction. See if RSI is supporting that. RSI on the 12-hour supporting an up move, not a down move. Okay, so on the 12-hour mat, odd NZD is supporting more of an up move. The reason I say that is because I got hidden bullish divergence right here. Okay, it's not super strong, but we're getting to be oversold, so we might come down one more hit, and then we'll still have the divergence, possibly. 12-hour. So yeah, I mean, it's looking like it wants to, come up here. It may just be a corrective wave and then down, right? But looks like the next imminent move is going to be up, is what I'd be looking for. An up wave, several hundred pips. Let's see. Zoom into the 8-hour here, see if that shows us anything. Yeah, we hit. This is just like Aussie dollar, that I'm kind of looking for an up move, but it's got to finish this down move first. So this could be the top of 3, or this could be the 4th wave right there. Might get that, and then up. Not sure about that, guys. Not sure about that at all. Hard to see in the small time frame. Let's go to the 6-hour. Nothing there. Kind of no man's land right now still with the DXY, with Aussie dollar. It's not clear, but the 12-hour says another move to the upside. 12 hours saying another move to the upside. Now, whether it's that big or it's just a corrective move up, but the 12 hours saying up. So watch the RSI. See if we get another push to the downside that gives us some divergence here. That'd be nice to see. Okay, where this comes down and gives us some divergence here on the 12-hour, and then trade that to the upside on the longer swing. That's a way to play that. So, but I would say up and then a corrective wave, and then down from there. So that's the way it's looking for now. But my bias, as I zoomed out to the week, was possibly, down. But here's the thing: this being a triangle is the foundation of that thought. So if this isn't a triangle, then that the foundation of that thought is wrong. So understand that as a possibility. Okay, Matt. All right, there you go, buddy. Any questions about that, Matt? Again, thank you again for that kind gift. I really appreciate it. Chemo, you project from the E, from the bottom of E. You project the fifth wave from the bottom of E. So once the triangle's finished, you project from E. Yeah. I'll get to Tesla, promise. Promise, promise. I'll try to hit all these. Hey, Merle, do me a favor, man. Can you go through and get all the requests that people have put in for me and consolidate them for me? Okay. I was hoping Matt would give me some feedback on that. Hope that helps you, buddy. If you need anything else, let me know. All right, BTC. Let's go back to BTC because I'm thinking I want to trade this to the upside. Okay, getting a bit of a pullback here. Yeah, got a MA cross right there. We got a close beyond it. I'd like to see a pullback to that line, but a bounce off of it. So I want to see that, and then that. So that's what I'd be looking for as confirmation. So I'm looking for this move here that looks like it's bouncing. So that's what I want to wait for there for my entry. I'll wait for that pullback. Okay, not in a hurry, guys. Don't be in a hurry to enter a position, okay? When you're trading, don't be in a hurry. You got to chill. You don't say, oh, it's going up. Hey, let me jump in. No, we see a setup. That setup is looking good to the upside. We got an engulfing candle on the 1 hour chart. That's really great. I want to see a retest of that. I want to see a retest of that engulfing candle about 50%. I want to see a 50% pullback, and then I'll think about entering that trade. I want to see the divergence maybe on the RSI or something telling me that, hey, this thing's going to continue going up. So anyway, be chill, guys. Yeah, Matt, good deal. Just the question mark is, does that have some more down right before up? But it's looking good for an up move on the 12 hour in particular. So, all right, buddy. Hey, thanks again. I really appreciate that. It was really kind of you. So thank you, buddy. Just so humbled to receive that. Thank you. Okay. All right, here we go. Merle, what am I doing? Tesla. Okay, let's do Tesla first and see what Tesla's doing. Tesla's going up, guys. Tesla is going up. I called 1500 last week. Last week my call was 1500. Go to the 4 hour. Oh, she's looking good. Looking really good. All right, to me, what it's looking like so far, possibility. Get the MAs off of here. I would count this wave as a 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're getting a fifth wave. Let's project that fifth wave. Oh, come on. Really? I don't understand. It won't let me grab that. All right. Looks like we're coming up here to 1200 first. Oh, guys. Okay, last week, guys, I had my fibs on logarithm, so that's where I got the 1500. We need to adjust that because those were my log scale, and that's what I'm remembering. My new call is 1200, guys. I think we're going to get up to 1200, possibly. Not financial advice, but this looks like an extended fifth wave here to me. One, two, three, four. Going to get up here to five. So $1,100, $1,200. That's where we're headed in the immediate term. That's looking great. That chart is looking fantastic. Tesla's rocking. So that's what I'm seeing on Tesla, guys. We always count with the fibs, okay, guys? We always count with the fibs. So make sure you're counting with the fibs. Da-da-da. All right. Let's check chat here. See what we got going on. Okay. Tesla. Let's do Crow USD now. It's going up. It's going up. We got hidden bullish divergence. It's almost finished. Almost finished. Looks like it's coming up here, guys, to point 13. Looks like it wants to come up to point 13. Way I'm seeing it. .023. .025. That went lower. 0.024. That broke the low. This wick broke this low. So I was thinking this is a 1-2, but it can't be that. It has to be an AB. Yeah, it's not the time to be buying, in my opinion. I wouldn't be buying this. I would be. We have divergence here on the 6-hour chart. Wait for that to follow through. Um, I'd wait for that to follow through on the daily. Yeah, wait for a reversal on the RSI. So let this come up, make the divergence on the daily, and then come down, short it. But I'd be looking to short this pretty soon. I'm not looking long on this chart for Crow. This chart's saying it's ready to come down soon. It's just like Bitcoin. Got a 5-wave move here. We're in the 5th wave. In the 5th wave. Um, if that's the case, what's the 5th wave looking like? 1, 2, 3 looks like it wants to come up. I mean, here's 3, but it looks like it wants to come up here. The way the shape is, just looking at it. 14 cents, maybe? 14 cents, that's my call. That's where I think Crow will hit at the top of this move. Could be 15.8. Yeah, 15 cents. Maybe 15 cents. We got some ways to go there on Crow. That's the way I'm looking at that, guys. Not financial advice. Carlo, minimum money you should start with is the minimum is the maximum you want to lose, that you can stand to lose. In other words, only trade what you can lose, because when you start trading, you're going to lose unless you have somebody teaching you, and then you're still going to lose even with teaching. Okay, Camping World. Let's do Camping World here. Got a bottom here, a nice impulse off the bottom right there. Looking really good. Nice impulse. That's a beautiful impulse. One. Wow, that's so extended. So it looks like we're in the 5th wave here, guys, of that impulse right there. So Camping World's looking for a pullback here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, this is looking close to finished. We got divergence working here on the 4-hour chart. It's we got hidden. Yeah, we've got standard bearish divergence. So looking for a downward move here pretty soon. Should expect the next move we're going to get, the next leg we're going to get is some kind of a 3-way pullback to 50% or something like that, and then up we go again. So I'd be watching. I'd be watching for a reversal candle, some kind of a engulfer. On the 4-hour, 1 hour, something like that. Um, that has a 50% retrace and look to short. If you want to trade this, or wait for that 3 waves to come back and then take it long. That's going the direction of the trend. So anyway, I'd be looking for. I put the retrace on it, and look for $17, maybe $14. Come back down here to $9 even, and then head on up. So that's the way I'd look at Camping World. All right. All right, let's see. Tara, ask that question again. As far as the engulfing candle is concerned, not sure what you mean by what's the price of the engulfing candle. Um, Not sure what you mean. So if you'd rephrase your question, I'll be glad to answer that. All right, let's look at Link here. Thought I had Link on this chart. Somebody asked for BCH. Let me look at BCH real fast. Remove the drawings. Look at that sideways crap. Wow. I don't like that at all. Looks like a triangle to me. Guys, BCH looks like a triangle. Which is interesting if that's a triangle. I mean, all day long, I see three waves everywhere. I'm not sure where to put that. But it looks triangular, guys. Yeah, I like that better right there. Got an engulfer right here. I mean, this could be a 1-2 right here, and it's long from here. Boom, boom, boom. Break that trend line. Continuation. What would that mean, though? Triangles only happen in the fourth wave or a B wave, and this doesn't look like a 4 wave. This looks like B wave. So this looks like a B, and then we're going to get a C. Interesting. That's interesting, guys. That's very interesting. But it's looking up to me. Looking up. RSI supports it as well here on the 8-hour chart. Got supporting bull move here in the RSI. We were in the oversold region here, so yeah, that's some hidden. Let's see, on the daily chart, you got some hidden bullish divergence here. Price is going up here on the bottom, down on the top. So yeah, I see up here. BCH looking up. BCH is looking up. Hope that helps whoever requested that. Check the channel here, see what you guys are asking. For BTC, what is the entry price? Oh, I'm just looking for a retest. I don't give entry prices. I give price action. I'm looking for price action here, so I want to see a retest of this region right here. If we get it, I don't know, 93.20. We're not that far off it now, but got a nice engulfer here. What I don't want to see. What I don't want to see is like that. So be careful. Price action in here was hard, but looks pretty decent for a little up move. Potentially hard trading in this area. Okay, Illumina. I'm Raul. Are you looking for stellar lumens? What is ILMN? What is that? Because I may be stupid here. Illumina Inc. Hamed, I will get to ETH here shortly. Sorry about that. I'll get you ETH coming. Da-da-da. Yeah, I need to do LTC and ETH. Okay, sorry, Geek Boy. Okay. Let me jump to those quick. All right, ETH and LTC. There we go. Good job, ETH. Leading the way. Obviously, that was wrong. I mean, the simple count here, guys, for ETH. I mean, it couldn't play any better. I'm looking at 277 to 301 to 304. It's bull to me to about 300. That's my call. ETH is going to 300. Can't say definitively, but that's what I believe based on the chart. ETH is looking pretty clean. That count looking beautiful. Looks like a good entry long in ETH right now, in my opinion, which corresponds to Bitcoin's long entry. I don't know if we're going to get that down move in Bitcoin. It just looks long to me. What do you think, Hamed? Geek Boy, what do y'all think about ETH? That's 3 waves. And Gopher off of it. I love it. I mean, it looks good. It looks good to me. Not right now. All right. Terra, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what your question is. Guys, I mean, let me just explain to you what I mean by engulfer candles. I mean, when we see engulfing candles, I mean, here's an engulfer right here that engulfed this candle right here. These two candles right here engulfed all of that price in 2 hours. Okay, so when I get an engulfer like that reaction, okay, especially after a three-wave move, when I get a three-wave move, and then I get an engulfer after that, that's a signal for me to go long, or or to go in that direction of the engulfer. Okay. Oh no. A big move down is coming later on, but we got to finish the fifth wave, Tara. We got to finish the fifth wave. Yeah. So anyway, so when I see that engulfer in the 1 hour, what I'm looking for is a retest, three-wave pullback of some kind, a retest of 50% to 60% of that wave for an entry. If I get a three-wave move back down, then I go long on that guy. Okay, so all right, you guys are on the internet. Say hi. So anyway, that's kind of what I'm looking at as a potential there. So that's it's just an engulfer entry. Let me show you an example. Okay, we had a three-wave move. Okay, right here, got an engulfer, got a 50% pullback. You go long. Okay, that's the trade. Okay, that's the trade. Uh huh. Okay. No, we got big moves coming in down in Bitcoin coming. All right, let's look at Litecoin. Actually, let's look at Ethereum here and check the 15-minute chart. Yeah, it's definitely overbought, but there's no divergence to speak of. Probably going to get a pullback back down to this region right here. That'll let that RSI cool off and then get to go some more. So yeah, that's the only thing that could be, guys. If it's not a signal for long, let's talk about it here. That could be a flat. It's not a flat, but could be a three-wave. Okay, we got to get up here to 236. Okay, if we can get up here to 236, guys, on Ethereum, right here. Yeah, be careful here, guys, on Ethereum. Be careful. Right now, it's corrective. It's looking corrective for now. Sorry to get y'all excited, but yeah, this is actually looking corrective. Sorry, guys. So we got a three-wave move. Actually, that looks like a potential diagonal there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. Three-wave move to the upside. Could be going down again. Yeah. Watch out, guys. Watch out on my bullishness on BTC. Watch out for that. Let me yeah. Okay, so here's where you know you got a confirmation of a bull move here. Okay, if we get up here to 95.80, 95.80, guys, right there, that's going to be fairly bullish for continuation to the upside. Doesn't mean it's going to go straight up. It just means that that's going to be fairly bullish. But if we come up here and stop at 94.50, 9,500, something like that, then that's going to be pretty bearish, because that's going to be corrective. We're going to have a three-wave correction, and then down we go again. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like a diagonal potential right there, and then we got a three-wave pullback, and then down we go again. So remember, my bias is I'm looking for a down move, but we could get an up move up to 9,800. So I'm not sure. Can't tell you. Okay. Yeah, Tara, I believe we're in the fourth wave, but in this video I talked about that, so make sure you go back and look at that. Yep, so be careful, guys. Be careful. That's only a three-wave move, okay? We break this high. We break this high or hit 95.80. It's looking bullish. If we reject off of 95 or 94.50, it's bearish. Okay, so that's how you're gonna tell. Boom, down from there or up from here. It could pull back and then continue. So, all right, there you go. LTC. LTC. Eight-hour chart. LTC, what in the world are you doing? Okay. The way I'm looking at LTC, is leading diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now the question is, so it looks like we're getting W, X, Y to the downside. That looks good to me, guys. That looks really good to me. Watch 38, watch 35. So, it doesn't mean we can't go up here first. This is a three-wave. This is a three-wave. We need a three-wave. So we got some up to come. And that's what I'm seeing here in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Some up. A little bit of up before down. So, potential. A little bit of up before down. Up before down. That is a 8-hour chart. Two-hour chart. Let's see it. Yeah, this is just hard. still like this interpretation. There, there, there. I like that interpretation. So we only got a little bit of up to go and then down. I like that interpretation. If that's not the case, then here's the other interpretation. That's the bottom. We go up here, and then we come down. Hard to tell, guys. Hard to tell. Hard to know exactly. Hard to tell. That's the same two interpretations I have for Bitcoin. Pretty tough. Pretty tough. Pretty tough. But I like this as a flat. I do. I like that a lot as a flat. 3, 3, 5. 3, 3, 5. It's finished. Okay, then we got a leading diagonal right there. 3-way pullback. Or a 3-way pullback. Right there and then down. To me, that makes the most sense. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. Alright, guys. Let's see. Yeah, I can take a look at gold. Sure. What's gold? Is that XAU? Yeah. I think gold's about to go down. I don't know. That's tough. So this pullback looks like a 5-wave move, but this looks like an impulse to the upside as well. Looks like a 1-2-1-2, or it's an A B with a flat, and then we got a C wave, and it's about finished. You got hidden bull divergence that well. I don't know. I mean, this to me looks like 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. That just might be a three-wave move. That could be just a three-wave move. Okay, so if that's three waves, okay, and it's finished, it could be. Then this is a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It's very bullish. Very bullish. If we break the high, guys, it's on like Donkey Kong. You break the last high. So I'd put a line up there. We're not too far from it. Break that high, 1919. It's on. It's going up. That's the 3-day chart. So looking bullish, I would say. Looking bullish. Let's go to the 8-hour. Yeah, I mean, showing bull for now. Little divergence here, a little bit. Not a whole lot, but not quite. Hard trading in here, guys. Hard trading. My gut's saying bullish, but watch this high. 1919. If you get a reversal candle, here, watch out for downside. This is a big fake out right there. But we're hovering on the 1618 on the 3-day. So watch out for that reversal candle. If you get one of those, it's going down. And what you'd have here is a three-wave move. And then we'd be heading down like that for a three-wave correction. That's the way I look at it. Hope that helps you, man. Andy Money, happy Father's Day to you. Thank you. Into money. All right, guys. There is. Let me look at Illumina here, and then we're going to call it a night. Hope you guys have benefited from the live stream tonight. Thanks for stopping by. Got a good three-wave pullback here. This looks like a fifth wave move to me. Careful on this one. Careful. Looks like we're going to get I don't know. I mean, you had a good three-wave correction here. But this looks like a fifth wave to me. Careful you don't get a dump here. I can't tell you you're going to, but that's a hard wave to read. I'm not sure how to read that. You got some major divergence here on the 12-hour. Nah, it's not major. I overstated that. But you got divergence working on the 8-hour, 12-hour. It's looking prime to hit the high. I mean, the way price action should go, probably hit the high, then come on down. Be careful for that move. Now, whether it continues up from there, I can't say. But the near-term RSI is saying up and then down. It's going to get up here, create divergence, and then come on down. Now, as it comes down, if you get hidden bull divergence, okay, get hidden bull, you can take it up. But you might want to trade that on the 8-hour chart. Looks like a good chart to trade it on. There's Illumina, okay? Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. Let's see. Don't even need to watch your videos. It's always then headed to the downside. Coming on down. So far, so good. Thanks, Jim. Yep. Heading up, then coming on down. Well, I mean, listen, 5-wave moves are followed by 3-wave corrections. You get a move to the upside, it's going to go on down. So, yeah. All right, guys, let's finish with a little bit of bias here on BTC, and we'll call it a night. So, yeah, watch out for this move right here. Throw your fibs on there. 95 or 96. You get a rejection off of 95 and 96, guys. Then coming down. Okay? You get continuation past about 90, past 96. Good chance we go on up. Okay, to about 98 to 10,000. Okay? So that's the way I'm looking at that. I could go up, could go down. All right, I'll do XRP. This is really it. Same thing, guys. Oh, no. Same thing. It's just a crap chart. I don't like this chart at all. What is that? Hidden bull. You got hidden bullish divergence here. It's slight, but it's there. Ugh. Looking bullish for the time being. Small move. I can't tell you how high. Small move up, then down. I don't know. That right there, guys, is unreadable to me. Elliott wave is not helping me right there, guys, because I can't figure that out. That's XRP. There's XRP, guys. I'm sorry. Hey, I already did link. Check back. I already did link. What's up, Rob? Happy Father's Day. How's it going? Yeah, Vaughn, I see the hidden bull on the higher time frame, no doubt. It's there. It's slight, but it's there. Sorry about the scribbling. That chart. It didn't make sense to me. I can't see it. I've been really frustrated. Been really frustrated by BTC, guys. That's why the videos, I haven't been doing them every day. I'd say the same thing every day until I get some clarity. There's no clarity from Elliott wave perspective. You know, I could talk about the RSI, I could talk about MACD, I could talk about moving averages and all that crap. But I mean, y'all can put that on your own chart and do that too. Along it to $10. Yeah, maybe. So yeah, I mean, y'all can do that on your own charts. I'm here to help you understand the Elliott wave, and just sometimes Elliott wave isn't much help because you can't see the structures clearly. I'm pretty good at it, but to me, I can't see the structures clearly in the XRP chart. So oh man, yeah. I mean, I'll just tell you what I see right away. 3. Now what? 3. That's what I see. If I had to give a determination, that's what I see. this, and then that. That's my call. Guys, have a great night. Enjoyed the time with you. And y'all behave yourselves. And if you want to join, want to look at some forex along the way, I'm going to start bringing some videos. I'm going to do probably like a weekly forex analysis over the weekend, like a forex live or something like that, where we just look at some pairs, take requests for different pairs for trading those as well. That's going to be coming soon. I'm going to be going full time sometime at the end of summer once I transition out of my current work. But for now, we just do what we can. All right. Y'all have a great night. Thanks for stopping in. Appreciate it. Talk to you later.